Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can write an article on LinkedIn. So after you open your LinkedIn account, you come over here where there is start a post, and then you come below and go here where there is write article. Then you click there, and it will open an interface for you like this. So to begin off, you can begin with the title of your article. Write it here. Then after here is where you can put your cover image. Cover image is very important for your article. It gives that general overview with imagery of what this article is about. So you come here, you click on this icon. Okay, then you choose the appropriate cover image that represents your article. Okay, so if I get one of these from my computer, for example, that. Okay, so this is your cover photo. Then now to begin writing, below your cover photo, you can add a caption. Okay. Okay, then now after you add your caption, we want to begin writing text, put text in our article as the first element. So to begin writing, you come here, besides this box, you just click there, and then you can begin writing. You type your text, or if you have it written already, pre-written, let's say in a Word document, you can copy and paste it here. Then after you write, you click enter. Okay, so if you want this as a subheading, okay, this very text, you can highlight it. Once you highlight it, you come here where we have normal. Then when you click there, you can have it either as a heading 1, heading 2. Headings, subheadings are really good for search engine optimization when you're writing for the web. So you'd want this as a heading. So after there, you click enter to add. If you want to add more text, you begin writing. Still, I'll add more text since this we are referring to it as a subheading, so I'll put in more text under this. Okay, so now after adding more text, I'll press enter again. I'll add an image. Still come back here. When I click there, I'll click to add image. Upload one from the computer. Then I'll pick another image. Then I'll bring it. Very important to have different media elements within your article to make it more appealing, and also for good search engine optimization, having text, images, videos, as we're going to see later. So as the image loads, we can look at how to hyperlink text. Yes, our image is here, and still very good for search engine optimization. You can add alternative text to any image. It helps if in case the internet is not so good for the person who is accessing this article. That alternative text can help to describe the image, and it's also good for those who are visually impaired. That machine they use, the Braille machine, is able to interpret that alternative text and read it for that person. Okay, so you put the deep text describing the photo. Then after you save, then you can also add the caption. This could be the name of the tool. Okay, then after you've added your image, you want to see how now we can hyperlink text. Okay, so after you add your image, we want to add now more text and see what content that we can hyperlink. Okay, so I'll give more detail about that tool. 123 apps is a tool that is used for file conversion. So if I want to hyperlink the term 123 apps so that when someone clicks on it, they go directly to that tool, I'll first open 123 apps in another tab. 123 apps. I search for it. So this is our 123 apps. Then I'll pick the URL, copy it, come back here. Then I'll highlight that word that I want to hyperlink, for example this 123 apps, and then I'll come up here and then click on add URL link. Okay, once I click on it, then I paste that URL link that I copied from the site, and then I click apply, and our word will be hyperlinked and it even changes color. Okay, so I also want us to look at how we can add a video. So to add a video, once again, I'll press enter, then I come and click here, and then I come to video. So once I come to video, then you are required to pick a video link that you paste here that is relevant for this article. So you come to YouTube, then you can search for video how to use 123 apps, and then search for it. So if I find a relevant tutorial for that, how to use that tool, I'll come click on it. For example, this.
Now, most of you know that I love it when students are the ones who are they're creating things, and there's just so much out there to help them.
Then I'll right click in the video, I copy the video URL, bring it here to LinkedIn, and then I paste it there. After I paste it, I press enter so that you can give time for the video to load. So right there is our video. So you can go on adding different elements. We've seen text, images, video, and how to hyperlink. Very important, always have a cover image for your article. And when all said and done, after you have added enough content for your article, you come here and click on publish. So we click here and publish, and then before you publish, you can give some preamble text for the article. So this is an article on the different tools for file conversion, and then you press publish. Once you click publish, your article will be ready to be to launch on your LinkedIn profile. And right there it shows that you have published your latest article. Okay, if you want this link, you can get the link to the article. It's copied and you can share it within your different networks and WhatsApp, social media, and you can share it directly here on your social media platforms. So that is how you can publish an article on your LinkedIn profile. Thank you.